Hello, in this video, we want to take a look at the process of the data encapsulation. So we will see how your data gets from the source computer to the destination computer. So you send a data from your computer and it passes through application layer, presentation layer, and session layer. So at session layer sends this package to transport layer. Transport layer reads it and adds its own header, which is a TCP header. This header has the information that will transport this package to the network layer. So this header info sends it to the network layer. At the network layer reads the package and adds its own header, which is the IP header. This IP header now sends this lot to. So now at the network layer reads the package and adds its own header, which is the IP header. The IP header leads this package to the data link layer. Now at the data link layer reads the package and adds its own header. So the data link layer adds the MAC header, MAC LLC, MAC address header to the package, which at the data link layer, this header now leads this package to the physical layer. So now the package is here. It will now cross over to the other side of the OSI layer, which this package will follow a similar stages all the way up to the destination computer. So here we have a pictorial view of how the data will now cross over to the other side of the OSI layer and climbs all the way up to the data, the destination where the data needs to get to. So if you follow this diagram, you can see that at each stage, the package is being stripped off an header to get to the next stage. Here, from here to here. Here, the SH. Sorry, not SH. I meant DH, the data link header. From here, the data link header of the package gets to data link from the physical, and at data link layer, the data link layer header is stripped off now to send the package to the network layer. So at the network layer, the network header is being stripped off to send the package to the transport layer. At the transport layer, the transport header here is being stripped off to get the package to the session layer. Here at the session layer, the session header is stripped off to get the package to the presentation layer. And as you can see at the presentation layer, the presentation header is stripped off to get the package to the application layer. So now at the application layer, the application header is stripped off, now left with only the data, which passes on to the receiving equipment, which is your computer. So that is the data getting to the receiving end, the destination. So at this stage, we have an understanding of how the data passes from the source to all the way through the stages of the OSI model on the left-hand side passes across, and then through the OSI layer on the right hand side straight to the receiving computer. So we will round up the video here. So in this video, we have a brief understanding of how data is sent from the source medium to the destination medium. Or better put, from the source computer to the destination computer. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye for now.